Hi, it's Salvatore again. I always get asked about brushes and combs, and it's such a broad way of talking because every hair is different. And I hope that you're getting advised properly on the brush and combs you use. Starting from a young child that could be swimming in chlorine pools all the time. Are you going to use something harsh because the chlorine is going to dry up the hair? You're not. You want to use something, a brush similar to this has got the balls on the ends, and it's going to comb through nicely. It will not strip the hair. So brushes are a key thing to hair health. So it's not a matter of how wide the combs are, it's really the bristles. Natural fiber is always better on the hair because it will not split the hair. Brushing your hair wet with artificial bristles will split the hair, and that is a proven fact. So you must watch out. So when you're choosing a brush, you've got to look at your hair and see, have I got fine hair, coarse hair, curly hair? And you can determine by the actual bristles. So there's a lot of natural fibers out there that won't damage the hair. Combs, depending on if you've got fine hair, I would probably be using something a bit wider comb. I must say, if I look at down here, something with a bit of a wider comb, and you can get through it. If you've got fine hair and it's matted and you're using something with fine bristles, it will pull out the hair. So we've got lots of information on these issues because this is something that we're passionate about. You keep an eye out on HTS because this is what our passion's all about.